In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Canon Pixma TR4522 printer with Chromebook. Now the first step is to connect the printer with the Wi-Fi network for wireless printing and scanning. So go to the control panel of the printer, press the setting icon. Once you see the setup mode, now click on the Wi-Fi setup. Go next and select manual setup. Look for your router name, select it. Now we have to enter the password using these keys. Press the tone key to select the numbers, alphabets in uppercase and lowercase. Once you enter the password, click OK and it will connect with the Wi-Fi network. So we have connected our printer with the Wi-Fi network of home. Next thing is to add in the Chromebook. So go to the Chromebook and open the settings. Click on the setting icon. On the next page you have to look for the advanced. Select print and scan. You will see on the top section it says printers, so go in that. Your printer should show up here because it is connected with the Wi-Fi network. Now click on the setup. Now you can see it is added. Now go back and here you have the option like scanning and printing you can do with this printer, so I'll show you that as well. So go to the scan option. It will look for the scanner. On the next page you can see the name of your printer here, or if you have multiple printers you can select from this box and select your printer and click on the scan button. You can also save it into a selected portion. So you can see here the scan has been done and it has been successfully saved to the My Files location. You can click on the done button. Now you can close down this window, that document. So you can go to the My Files. Here you can see all the scannings available. So open the scan you have done just now or any page you want to print and click on the print command. From the drop down box, click on the see more and select your printer on the next page and click on the print icon. Now wait for the printer. So here we can see it has started to print. So this way we can do the wireless setup and then we can do the wireless printing and scanning with your Chromebook. Thanks for watching.